Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the EVS class of class 1. So, children, how are you all? Good? Very good. I'm also good. Okay, so, children, this is the what? Which video? This is the fourth video of chapter number 3, Plants Around Us. Okay? Now, I want to tell you something that what we have discussed in the previous video. Do you know what we have discussed? Tell me. Very good. We have discussed about the parts of a plant. We have discussed about the parts of a plant, and we have also done the parts of the plant in details. Okay? Okay, now, today children, before starting the next part, I would like to say something. See, we all human beings help each other. Yes, we all human beings help each other. Okay, like we help our parents in doing our work. Okay, we also help our parents in doing our work. Our parents help us in doing your homework. Yes, they help you in doing the homework. Yes, very good. And similarly, you also help your friends when your friends are in a problem. Suppose they have not brought a pencil or color. You give now? Yes, you give the pencil and colors. It is a very good thing to share and help everyone. Okay? So, children, today in this video, we will talk about the how plants help us. Okay? In this video, we will talk about that how plants help us. Okay? What is the importance of plants? Okay? How plants help us, and what is the importance of plants? What all things does plants give us? What all things does plant give us? Okay? So now I think that all must be knowing the most important thing that most of the food like fruits, okay, vegetables, grains like rice, wheat, okay, pulses like gram, beans, okay, and tea, coffee, sugar and spices all comes from plants. All comes from plants. So all the food like fruits, I have already like fruits, spices, sugar, tea, coffee, okay, pulses, grain, okay, all grains like wheat, rice, all these comes from plants. Okay, apart from these plants are useful to us in many ways. Plants, apart from these all, plants are also useful to us in many ways. How in many ways? We will talk about small things. Okay, some of these we will talk about. You must be familiar with the coconut oil. You must be familiar with the coconut oil. So, what is the coconut oil? This one. See, how you are familiar with this coconut oil. Are you familiar with this coconut oil? Yes, everyone should. I think most of the children, their mothers or you also put there in your hair. Yes. So can you tell me, are you all thinking that is this coconut oil made of coconut? Tell me, is this coconut oil made of coconut? Then you are absolutely correct. Yes, this coconut oil is made of coconut. Okay, this coconut oil is made up of coconut. Similarly, many other oil is also used for cooking. Many other oil is also used for cooking. That all oil is also made from plants. All the oils are made from plants. Some other examples of oil is mustard oil, which is used for cooking, and olive oil. Clear? So these comes from plants. beside the food, some plants are also used for medicinal values, also used as medicines. You know which plant is used as medicines? Can you tell me? Yes, tell me, tell me. Yes, you are correct. Like tulsi, neem are used for cure of cough and cold. See, this is the tulsi plant. This is the tulsi plant, and if you are having a cough, if you will eat this leaf in your cough, it will make your cough better. The cough will be over. So this tulsi plant is very important and very useful for the medicines. Clear? Okay, children. Now, along with this medicinal plant, you know that what do you? I will ask you one question. Which clothes do you wear in summer? Which clothes do you wear in summer? Tell me. Very good. You wear cotton clothes. Why we wear cotton clothes? Yes, we wear cotton clothes because the cotton cloth is very comfortable for us. Okay, it is very comfortable from us. And cotton clothes are also made up of cotton plant. Okay, cotton clothes are also made up of cotton plants. Clear? Okay, now children, do you like the fragrance or smell of a rose? Everyone like, na? Yes, the smell of a rose is very nice. The smell of a rose is very nice. The smell of a rose, jasmine is very nice, very beautiful. Yes? And you know, the fragrance of this flowers, perfumes are made. How perfumes are made? Perfumes are made out of them. Okay, out of the smell or the fragrance of the flowers. Clear? Now, good smelling soap which you take bath, from which you take bath, na, the soap. Okay, that good smelling soap are also made or used for flowers, are also used of flowers. Okay, that is also used of flowers. Clear? Now, we will move ahead with, I'll say that our studies, I'll ask you one important question. You all will tell me whether it is correct or not. Okay? Are studies possible without trees? Think. Are studies possible without trees? Now you all will be thinking that why these trees are coming in between studies. Are you all thinking now? Yes. Why this trees is coming in between studies? No, the studies is not possible without the trees. How? Okay, I will give you the answer. How it is not possible. See, when you go to the school, okay, everyone, when you go to the school, so the chair in which you sit, okay, and the table in which you keep the books and copies to study, that is all made up of what? Tell me. That is all made up of wood. Yes, the chair in which you sit is made up of wood. And the table, okay, the table in which you keep the books and copies is also made up of wood. Okay? Along with these all table and chairs, many other things are made up of wood, like the doors in your houses, the windows in your rooms are also made up of wood. Yes, that means that all the furnitures are made up of wood. So from all these wood come from what? Trees. Yes. So now it is possible now that trees is also possible in studies. because all the things we get from the trees only, the wood, then it is only the chairs and tables that are made to study. Now you all agree with me? Okay. Now children, do you know that all your books, see, do you know that all your books, notebooks, copies, okay, are all types of and all types of these papers. Clear? Okay, what I said? See, all types of books, copies, papers are made from plants. Okay, these papers are made from plants. Which plant? So this paper is made from bamboo plant. Clear? Similarly, rubber. Rubber also trees give us. There is a tree which give you rubber. So rubber which is used to make this eraser. See, this rubber is used to make the eraser. Okay, and which is used for your pencils. When you write something in your copy and if there is a mistake, what you will do? You will use the eraser to erase it. So from where this eraser is made? Eraser is also made from plants, because plants give us rubber, and from rubber only is used to make eraser. Clear? So not only this eraser, all the tires. Have you seen the tires? You know what are tires? Well, tires in your cars, buses, bikes, whatever, cycles, auto rickshaw, whatever, in any vehicle, you see the tires. Of what these tires are made? Tell me. These tires are also made up of what? Rubber. These tires are also made up of rubber. Clear? Okay. Now what we have already talked about this plants, what they give us. Okay children, what they give us about, I told you about the plants. These plants not only give to the human beings only, but they are useful to animals also. Okay, how these are useful to animals? Say. Yes, you are correct. Tell me. Many things, others you all also speak. How plants are also useful to animals? Yes, very good. Many animals eat plants. Yes, as food. Can you name some animals who eat food? Eat food as plants. Many animals. Name some animals which eat food as plants. Tell me. Yes, like cows, they eat grass. Goat, they also eat grass. So what? From plants, the animals are also getting their food to eat. Okay. Trees. Have you seen the trees now? The trees are also home to many animals. Trees are also home to many animals. Some animals make their homes in the trees. Which animals make their homes in trees? Can you tell me? Like monkeys, squirrels live on the trees. Birds make their nest on the trees. They make their nest on the trees to put the babies inside, and the eggs are also there in the nest. So these animals are also useful from plants. Clear this much? Now children, this already I have told, so you know, have you seen that how